Good evening everyone! Happy Monday and welcome to another episode of Gems and Wonders FB Live. And today we're having our Beauty Tips 101 Tipid Tips plus Beauty Hacks from Gems and Wonders. So today, meron din tayong pa-raffle, di ba, as part of our intro palagi sa lahat ng nag-join sa ating FB Live last Friday. So hi, great evening to everyone! Hi! Comment naman kayo. If you're watching for the very first time, I would like to introduce myself. I am Gem Abante Andres, Mary Kay Sales Director and also a makeup artist. And I'm also handling my YouTube channel, Gems and Wonders. Hi! Good evening! Ayan, nandito na. Hi Dana! Hi Joanne! Hi CJ! Kiara, Karina. Sige. So you may share this video lalo na sa mga potential clients niyo na looking for some budget tips or makeup tips na may kasamang beauty hacks na din as well. Okay, yan. Si Kiara, isa sa ating masugid na umaattend ng ating FB Live. Hi CJ! Hulaan mo na lang kung ano ang ating surprise na celebrity-inspired makeup. Sige, share lang natin itong video na to sa ating messenger group din para mas marami pa tayong ma-tap na ating mga clients and also beauty consultants. Matulungan natin sila. Ano ba yung mga pwede nating i-recommend sa ating clients na mga tipid tips regarding skincare and makeup. Because today, I'm not just teaching you about makeup, tutorial, and skincare, but tuturuan ko rin kayo some beauty hacks na pwede din pala itong magawa sa isang makeup product. Hi! Good evening! Salamat sa mga nag-watch na ating mga beauty consultants. Yan. Hi! Great evening, Jeneline, si Miss Rachel. Okay. So right now, I will start first with all those who joined our raffle last Friday. Okay? As you all know, please stay tuned until the end of this video to join my question of the night para sa ating next FB Live. So right now, ito yung lahat ng mga sumagot po sa aking question last Friday, and the lucky winner will win 300 pesos product voucher from Mary Kay. Okay, so I'll be the one who'll give the gift. So, let's get started and check natin sino ang lucky winner. Dapat nandito po yung mananalo, okay? I'll be calling the names, okay? Naku, yata siya pa dito. Rayma, are you here? Magka-count lang tayo ng 1, 2, 3. Naku, lagi din tong present. Kaso parang wala siya today. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as I've said, you should be here in the intro para manalo kayo sa ating raffle. Ayun pala! Sakto, Rayma! Buti sumagot ka. Great naman. So, congratulations, Rayma. You just won 300 pesos product voucher. Kala ko wala ka pa. Buti na lang nakahabol ka. So, you're the lucky winner for today's raffle. And don't worry, sa lahat ng mga nagjo-join tonight, kasali pa rin po kayo. Just stay tuned for my question of the night as I end or before I end this FB Live. So, let's get started po para sa ating hacks, okay? So, today, I'll be teaching you all about Beauty Hacks 101, and the most important thing that you have to know is what are the things that kailangan kailangan lagi nating iniisip when it comes to skincare, okay? Skincare muna pag-usapan natin bago makeup. Because marami po sa atin, syempre, nag-i-invest talaga, lalo na mga millennials, on makeup, but the thing is, kailangan skincare muna. Because when you talk about skincare, yan talaga yung major or largest organ of our skin. Our largest organ of our body, which is our skin. Kaya kailangan pag-usapan natin ang tamang skincare products na gagamitin natin when we talk about beauty hacks or tipid tips 101. So, I have here different products. So, dalawang bagay to. Skincare muna yung pag-usapan natin, ha. So, I have here botanicals and I also have here time-wise. So, depende muna sa age ng client. Siyempre, kung ang age ni client ay mga 24 and below in sensitive skin, you can go for botanicals. Okay? This one is a very good cleanser. Ito po yung ano namin, nire-recommend talaga, especially kapag ikaw ay sensitive skin and also meron ka ding problem when it comes to yung strong na mga masyadong matatapang na mga cleanser and you want mo na yung mga light cleanser, you can have this. Okay? This is actually good for all skin type. So, we're talking about beauty on a budget. So, this is perfect for you. You know why? This is actually below 500 pesos. Okay? You may ask your beauty consultant for the exact price, but you can actually use this for like 8 to 10 months. Sobrang tipid. Okay? Ano bang meron dito, Miss Jen? This one has actually a dragon fruit extract. And this amount, as in, ang tagal mo na siyang magagamit. Bango, sobra. Sino yung gumagamit sa inyo ng botanicals? Napakabango po niya. Tapos, yung konting amount na yon bubula na siya. Okay? So, aside sa tinuturuan ko kayo ng mga products, but I will give you some beauty tips din and skincare tips kung paano ito ginagamit. Kailangan pea-size amount lang. It's part of your tipid tips. Kailangan hindi madami yung gamitin mo para ma-maximize mo yung product. So, kung before, sanay tayo with sachet, sa totoo lang, hindi tayo nakakatipid sa sachet, okay? Because when you talk about sachet, usually mga week or sometimes month man yan, pero bihira pong sachet yan. Dati fan din ako ng sachet. Feeling ko, pag sachet, mas makakatipid. But with this cleanser, sa totoo lang, imagine, when you compute it, yan, divided by 10 months, divided by 30 days, para po kayong gumagastos ng 1 to 2 pesos a day. Actually, wala pa nga 2 pesos eh. 1 pesos and 9 cents, okay? 1.09 cents. So, ganun yung ginagastos nyo everyday with this cleanser. Kasi, you will always have to remember, when it comes to quality and quantity, go ka na sa cleanser na sobrang sulit. Kasi minsan sa kakatipid natin, ask yourself, are you achieving the right amount of result that you want? Nakokontrol ba yung oiliness mo? Nakokontrol ba yung breakouts mo? Because kung hindi naman nakokontrol, ang gusto mo na nangyari ay naghihilamos ka lang, ask yourself, diba? Hindi yun yung gusto mong ma-achieve na skincare goals. So, kailangan meron kang right product na ginagamit for you. Okay? So, this is really a must-have kasi ang laki na niya at matipid po siya gamitin. Next naman, pag-usapan natin, Miss Gem, 25 na ako, 30s na, and medyo 40s na rin, pero beauty on a budget talaga ako. Hindi pa afford yung mga mahal, mga 1,000 plus na products. Okay lang, don't worry. Kasi we have products for you. Diba? Last time I talk about this. And i-remind ko ulit kayo na this is actually a beauty on the go because this one has 4 products on it na. And perfect for anti-aging. Alam niyo kung bakit? Yung 4 na product na yon, meron na tayong cleanser, meron ka ng day cream, meron ka pang night cream, and meron ka pang eye cream. Matagal mo na po siyang magagamit. Hindi naman to isang gamitan lang na 1 week lang. Always remember, aside sa mismong binibili mong product, the proper way to use the product is so important. Kaya kami as your beauty consultants, we always emphasize pea-size amount lang with enough water, and remember, hindi talaga siya mabula. Konti lang po, matipid na yon, and pang buong mukha na yun lagi. Kailangan 5 beauty points, forehead, nose, cheeks, tapos chin. Okay? And remember, as you can see, for this one, Miss Gem, oily talaga ako. Ano bang okay na cleanser for me? Ayan. For oily skin type, mapapansin nyo, tinan nyo po gel siya. Ayan. Pagka normal to dry ka, ganyan siya gel. Normal to dry, usually white yung itsura. Because this one, may beads siya, kaya nga 4-in-1 cleanser na rin to. It can actually give your skin this, yan, anti-aging, hindi lang anti-aging, it also helps your pores na mas ma-minimize pa. Kaya nga, favorite din namin to i-recommend dun sa naghahanap ng budget-friendly na skincare. Kasi sobrang tipid niya, 4 na po yung nasa loob ng isang box. Okay? And remember, this is actually less than 1,000. As your beauty consultant, yes, sobrang affordable nito. Ito yung bestseller sa amin when it comes to skincare. Okay? So, pag-uusapan din natin ang beauty hacks. Yan yung isa sa mga favorite part ko kasi talagang I really love some makeup tips and paano ba makakatipid, Miss Jem. So I know we are actually in crisis right now. Marami tayong pinagagastusan and 'di ba marami nagkaroon ng uncertainties, 'di ba, mga unexpected challenges. That's why we still want to have this self-care in a way na walang guilt feeling na sobra nag-splurge tayo or masyadong mahal ang ginagastos natin. That's why, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng tip. Paano, Miss Jen, kung gusto ko ng flawless looking na makeup pero hindi ko kaya yung masyadong mahal, like over 1,000 budget? Pwede yon. But first, let me ask you, what is your concern? Ano yung gusto mong takpan? Okay, kunyari yan ay virtual meeting. Usually, ang gusto mo mangyari ay makover yung mga imperfections mo. So, if ever yun yung major goal mo, kunyari meron kang acne marks, dark circle eyes, I really suggest invest on a perfecting concealer. Because I believe this one is really a must-have product kasi kaya na matakpan yung dark circle eyes, even yung eye bags. What else? Yung mga acne marks. And here's a beauty hack. This concealer can be used actually as your tinted moisturizer. Talaga, Miss Jen? Yes, because we're talking about tipid tips, so pwede mong gawin multi-purpose na yung mga products mo. So, you just have to mix your concealer with your favorite moisturizer. It could be Time-Wise or the Botanicals moisturizer. Okay? So, which come first, diba? So, try natin para makita nyo. Tandaan, hindi kailangan madami. Okay? A little amount can go a long way. So, tandaan nyo palagi yon, konti lang. Ito yung Botanicals moisturizer. Ganyan lang kakonti. Bango din ito. This one has aloe vera on it. Napakabangong product ng Mary Kay. And sobrang safe ba for all skin types. So, ito yung moisturizer. And then, you put a little amount of concealer. Okay, pinaghalo natin. Tapos, you can mix it. Ayan. So, nangyari, nagkaroon ng color yung mismong moisturizer para naging tinted siya. If ever naman, hindi concealer yung meron ka, you have actually a CC cream, pwede din, okay? But CC cream actually is multi-purpose. It could be used as your foundation, pero mas light coverage lang siya. Kumbaga, as your protection. But those people na gusto lang talaga nilang makover yung mga areas nila with imperfection, I really suggest this one. Perfecting Concealer is really a must-have product. So, pwede mo siyang i-mix. Paano kung time-wise yon? For example, anti-aging yung moisturizer mo. Pwede ba yun, Miss Jem? Yes. Pwede po. Kailangan lang pea-size amount. Hindi kailangan madami. Tandaan nyo pala, gawin your mixing products. It's really important na konti lang, hindi kailangan madami. Ayan. Ayan po. We tried to mix concealer and time-wise moisturizer. So, parang yung dating din niya, may pagka-CC cream, pero walang SPF, syempre. Depende na lang if you're using with SPF. But the major tip is, don't put a lot. Konti lang, kasi kailangan maging even yung concealer and also the moisturizer. Okay? That's my beauty tip. Beauty hack, actually. Next beauty hack, ladies. What if I want something na pwede ko nang magamit as lipstick and also as blush on and as eyeshadow? So, alam naman po nating lahat, we always promote these products, 'di ba? We have the Mary Kay Lip and Chic, Peach Pop, Pinking Out Loud, and Razzleberry. But before I give you some beauty tips and beauty hacks, bigyan ko muna kayo ng swatching. So, if you're actually looking for an orangey shade, pakita ko muna sa inyo. This Peach Pop is good for you. Ito yung uso ngayon for millennials actually. Gustong-gusto nila yung mga orangey color. Para saan ba itong mga skin type? It's good for all skin type naman. Okay? Kasi nga, we want something summer, warm looking. Okay? Next naman, we have this one, the Pinking Out Loud. Before, I thought masyado siyang pink. Pero when you apply it to your skin, Yan, hindi naman siya ganyan ka-pink na pink. So, pakita ko sa inyo ha. After ko mas-swatch yung tatlo, ito naman yung raspberry. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo pag blend yan ha. Ganyan itsura niya. So, gumaganda yung effect pag blend. Kala natin masyadong matapang. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Next naman, tong pink naman. Tingnan nyo nga. Dun sa mga mapuputi or fair skin tone, ito yung suggestion ko. Napakabagay sa inyo nito. Speaking out loud. Etong raspberry, some thought masyado siyang dark. Pero sa totoo lang, pag blend mo na siya, lalo sa mga morena, maganda siyang gamitin. See? Okay? So, when we apply it, actually ngayon, parang naging fan na rin ako nito. Pakita ko sa inyo ah. Ito, yung pinking out loud. Paano ba naglalagay, Miss Gem? Actually, you can have like parang tinatawag nating drunk blush look dito. Okay? Pero not too much lang. And then, apply it here, tsaka dito. Alright. Yan yung pinking out loud. But we actually have a special promo this month for the Peach Pop for those who are looking naman ng peachy shades as well. As you all know, in my vlogs, I usually feature this one. And yun din yung ituturo ko sa inyo na pwede nyo itong gamitin as your eyeshadow din. So, kunyari, gusto mo siyang gamitin as eyeshadow, you can use this one, eye smudger brush. And lagay ka lang sa dulo. Pag naglalagay po tayo ng eyeshadow, lalo na pag creams, wag pong masyadong madami kasi sobrang pigmented lang niya. Konti lang and i-blend mo lang properly. Who are these people naman na kailangan ma-take note din yung pH level ng katawan nila dun sa mga acidic? Kasi pag acidic ka, like me may tendency minsan na mabilis ma-absorb ng skin mo yung cream blush. So, for example, ako, acidic talaga ako. Kanina mas kita yan, pero pag tumatagal, nawawala na yung color. So, you can actually add additional amount of it. So, okay din pong gawin yon. So, minsan, kung gusto mo siyang i-mix, okay lang. But remember, when you try to mix products, blending is always the key. Okay? Pwede rin siya sa lips. Ang ginamit ko lang kasi ngayon sa lips, na favorite ko nga, ay itong Tranquil Toffee. Ito yung ginamit ko. But if you want to use that to your lips, pwede din. But here's the hack, okay? Pupunta na tayo sa mga tipid hacks, Miss Gem. Paano kung gusto ko lang ng isang product, tapos gusto ko rin gamitin para na rin sa dry lips ko? So, sa mga ladies here na may dry lips naman, you can have your satin lip balm, the Mary Kay lip balm, ladies. And you can actually mix it with your eyeshadows, okay? Or blush on. So, for example, meron kang gustong i-achieve na color and then you want it na maging lip balm mo na may color, pwede po yun. Anong gagawin mo lang? Imimix mo lang yung lip balm mo. You can have it here, kung malinis din naman yung hand mo. Ayan. And, ako, ang gagamitin ko, favorite ko, Toxic Juicy Guava. Pero kung ibang shade, actually, pwede naman. I-mix mo lang siya and, ayan, instantly, meron ka ng lip balm na dating. And pwede mo yung i-add sa lips mo. Ang maganda dito, it's a lip balm na hindi ganun ka-shiny and may color na rin siya. So, that's actually a beauty hack. So, Miss Gem, paano kung gusto ko yung mga ibang shades ng Mary Kay? Pwede din ba? Yes, pwede. So, you can actually mix your lip balm with your eyeshadow or blush on as well. Konti lang. You can have your own lip balm shade, diba? So, pwede mo rin yung gamitin. Okay. So, next nating hack, okay? Kailangan natin, syempre, i-maximize kung anong meron tayo. So, next naman natin, if ever you want a cashy eyes, tapos ang meron ka lang, syempre, beauty na budget, Ito po ay sobrang affordable na eyebrow pencil. Okay? You can ask your beauty consultant, pero this one sobrang tipid. And ano yung pinagmamalaki namin dito? This eyebrow pencil is also water resistant. Meaning, hindi siya basta-basta nabubura. Ayan, see? Kahit nalagyan ng water. 'Di ba? Kung iba yan, usually natatanggal na agad. So, bakit ko pinagmamalaki tong eyebrow pencil na to? Because this eyebrow pencil can be used as your, ano pong pwede natin gamitin dito? As your eyeshadow smudger and also as your eyebrow pencil. So, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, aside tipid tips sa mga products, ano pa yung pwedeng purpose ng bawat product? So, you can use this as your eyebrow pencil. Actually, nag-pencil na ako kanina. Ito, ginagamit ko din to minsan in partnership with my eyebrow precision liner. Because this one, kakulay ko to ano to dark blonde. And ito, gusto ko lang pang emphasize sa tail ng aking eyebrows. Pwede yun. Okay? And make sure lang, blend mo lang. So, kung meron ka ng ganitong eyebrow pencil and then you are beauty on a budget, ayaw mo na mag-invest on an eyeshadow, you can use this one as your eyeshadow na pang smoky eyes. How? Just have to put it here. Actually, I think baka some of you might heard this to me before. You can just put a hashtag on it or pwede din pa letter V na lang. And the technique would be, you just use your smudger brush and then i-blend mo na siya. So, by having this one, which is super affordable in Mary Kay, as your beauty consultant, ito po yung naming murang eyebrow pencil na napakatipid pang gamitin at sulit. Pwede mo siyang gamitin as your eyebrow pencil, as your eyeshadow, yan, like that. So, parang naging smoky eyes konti yung dating, pang accent. And, you can use this as your eyeliner as well. Really, Miss Jem? Yes. Okay, di ba narinig nyo rin ako, if you want an eyeliner na hindi black, pwede mong gamitin tong brunette. See? Nakita nyo? Nalagyan, no? Para ako nag-eyeliner na bigla. And, napakaganda nito for tight lining. Pag sinabing tight lining sa ilalim ng mata, ilalim ng mata, ilalim ng lid, here. Kasi you don't want to have spaces. So, this is really an affordable product na multi-purpose na. Same thing with the other part of our eyes. Yan. Actually, niretouch ko na lang din nilagay ko kanina. Pero, favorite ko to kasi dark brown siya. Lalo na pag may moments na ayokong gumamit ng masyadong black na eyeliner. So, you can actually use this under your eyes. But remember, ladies, when you use this, half of your eyes lang, okay? Bakit, Miss Jem, half lang? Kasi you want to make an illusion na para mas mag-pop yung eyes mo, kalahati lang yung dark, kalahati doon yung light, okay? So, yan yung illusion na ginagawa natin. As also as makeup artist, you don't put yung buong ilalim ng mata mo dark, okay? Nakikita nyo? So, diba, ang dami nating mga tipid tips. Ibig sabihin, sa isang product, yung binili mong yun, ang dami mo na pwedeng magamit. A quick recap, you can use this as your eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, and also as your accent eyeshadow. Okay? Diba? Ganun katipid. What else? I've said, diba? For your lip balm as well, you can use this as your instant colored lip balm by having or by mixing your eyeshadow, any favorite eyeshadow color, and mix mo lang yung lip balm din. Alam niyo maganda dito sa lip balm ni Mary Kay, aside sa shea butter, because yung shea butter nakakalambot ng lips, may vitamin E pa siya. So, you want to moisturize your lips. Lalo na ngayon, uso ang pagmamas. Alam niyo ba, the more na nagmamas tayo, ang tendency niyan, mas prone yung lips natin mag-dry, lalo na all throughout the day. So, importante na itong lips natin na-hydrate and also hindi natin napapabayaan na gumagamit ng mga strong products. So, we want right now to emphasize our eye area. So, yun yung mga basic budget-friendly natin na pwedeng gamitin. So, ano yung sinabi ni Ms. Jem? This one and also your beauty on the go na mga Mary Kay Lip and Cheek. We have the Peach Pop, Pinking Out Loud, and also the Razzleberry. Okay? And of course, yan, may isa pa akong hack na ituturo sa inyo. Yan. Para naman hindi tayo mahubusan ng mga hack, ito naman na yung pang last ko for today. Sa susunod na FB Live ko, I'll be giving you more tips pa. But since beauty on a budget ang ating topic for today, I'm teaching you not just with the price or one product, is actually having a multi-purpose on every product. Kung ano yung bawat purpose ng isang product. Okay? So, for example, Miss Jem, meron lang ako nito, lip and cheek, kasi na-free ko siya bilang beauty bestie ni Mary Kay. Or, ito yung nabili ko sa beauty consultant ko. So, since budgeted pa yung pera ko ngayon, ano pa yung pwede kong magawa with this one? So, as we all know, this one is your lip color, pang lip siya, matte yung effect niya. But sa totoo lang, this one can be your parang cheek tint siya. Pwede siyang gamitin as your cheek color. Really? Yes, pwedeng-pwede. Ganyan lang, oh. Then, blend it. Alam niyo yung nauuso na sa iba, diba, liquid lip and cheek tint. Parang ganon. Ganon yung effect niya. Ayan. Mas makapit yung dating. Anong shade nga pala to? Actually, this is Red Alert. Kung gusto mo pang lighter shade, you can use spicy red, okay? And add here and here. And you can still use this as your lipstick. Konti lang. Yan, use that as lipstick and eyeshadow. Yes, you can use this as eyeshadow and lipstick. Totoo yan. Tama po kayo doon. Pwede mo siyang eyeshadow and lipstick. And what else? Yun nga po, as your cheek color din. So, if ever then you want to use this as your eyeshadow, always remember, lahat ng Mary Kay products sobrang pigmented. So, hindi kailangan madami. Konting-konti lang. Get a small amount and you can use that as your eyeshadow din. Wow, dami namang purpose niyang lipstick na yan. Yes, ang daming purpose. Sobrang ganda ng Mary Kay products that it could make you can believe na wow, one product can do it all. Parang ganon. Kasi sa isang product na to, ang dami mo nang pwedeng magawa. So, ayan. Lalo na, may gusto rin akong bigay na tips sa inyo. May gusto kang i-achieve na shade. Hindi mo makuha yung shade na yon. Ako, as a makeup artist, I try to mix and match yung products. So, di ba, kita niyo yung blush on natin, kitang-kita. This is actually on promo. So, sa lahat na nanonood ngayon, kung customer ka or looking for a product pa lang na naka-promo, this one is also part of your beauty on a budget kasi ang ganda ng price nito ngayon. And sulit na, you can use it your lipstick, blush on, and also your eyeshadow as well. Okay? And of course, ito po pala yung pinaka-last natin. Syempre, ano ba yung must-have talaga for every Filipina? Sa totoo lang, as a makeup artist, we always recommend the basic or mga beauty essential lang talaga. Kilay powder lipstick, diba? So, when we talk about powder, actually before may ganito kami in Mary Kay, this is actually your compact. Right now, meron na tayong tinatawag na perfect palette. Okay? Ayan. Ito po ay sobrang recommended. This one, you know why? Sobrang affordable po ng ating pressed powder. And also yung sponge ng Mary Kay. Because this sponge actually is washable. Okay? Tandaan nyo, itong sponge na to ay washable po. Ito po ay actually pwede mong gamitin pa ulit. Then laban mo lang. Ganun, hindi katulad ng mga mumurahing sponge na pag ginamit mo, itatapon mo na. So, ito, sobrang recommended tong Mary Kay pressed powder. See? Kung gaano siya ka-pigmented. Of course, by using ang ating sponge. Paano ba press powder, Miss Jen? Tuturuan ko pa pala kayo. Okay? Pag sinabing press powder, you just press it, okay? Hindi kayo nagmamadali na pwede nag-press powder, ganito, diba? When you say pressed powder, ganun lang. Para mas ma-absorb ng skin mo yung powder din. Ayan. Okay. So, ang bilis, diba? Na-control yung oiliness or pagiging shiny ng other parts. Lalo na kunyari pawisin kayo sa ilong, like me, talaga madalas yung nose area ko pinagpapawisan and also with your neck area. So, this one is really affordable right now. Magnetic kasi yan. So, natatanggal siya. Nasa likod yung shade as well. And you can have this one, the perfect palette. Kung gusto mong palitan, pwedeng-pwede po. Meaning, if you want to change your palette, ang ilalagay mo, pressed powder, I have here a contour powder and also eyeshadow. Pwede din yon. Okay? So, pwede mo naman ding bilhin na ito lang talaga mismo. Siyempre, beauty on a budget tayo. Pwedeng-pwede po. This is so affordable right now. Dati nung una itong nilabas in Mary Kay, mas mahal siya. Ngayon, as your beauty bestie or kung wala ka pang beauty consultant, you can PM me na napaka-affordable po nitong pressed powder na to. Okay? Yan. And syempre, may Mary Kay mirrors din naman tayo. Kung wala po kayong lalagyan, this can be your freebie sa inyong mga beauty consultants. 'Di ba? So, napakaganda ng mirror ni Mary Kay. Right now, we're actually starting our virtual classes. Marami po sa inyo pumasok na sa inyong kanya-kanyang school. If you're a college student or high school student, or you're taking up your masterals, or if you are an employee, syempre karamihan ngayon ay virtual meetings na. And don't worry, we know what you need, 'di ba? We are actually here not just to offer you products para lang may magamit ka or makabenta kami, hindi po ganon. We are here as your beauty consultants to explain to you what are the benefits of each product to use. So sana you learn something from this video. If you're actually first time here, and I would like to again say na thank you for watching. If you are have some questions regarding skincare and makeup, tas wala ka pang beauty consultant, you can message me. But if you're actually invited by your beauty bestie, ayan, ask mo siya more about skincare and makeup products ni Mary Kay. So just a quick recap before I end this FB Live. Remember, your skincare and also your makeup is really an essential part of your routine right now. You know what? Lately, I believe na maraming tayong kanya-kanyang challenges. And I hope self-care for you is not really a luxury. Kasi it can really turn every negative emotion into a positive one. Try looking at the mirror, diba? Pag na-feel mo na nag-glow ka, pag nakita mo na nag-iba yung aura mo, you feel like a different person. Same thing with using the right skincare and makeup. So, nandito kami bilang beauty consultants nyo para mag-share sa inyo ng mga benefits of using the right products on your skin. So, a quick recap on it. For those who are looking for products na mura lang, great for sensitive skin, and also for every skin type, go for Botanicals because this one sa akin na naglalast siya for 8 to 10 months din. Okay? Ganun siya katipid. And it actually has its partner na moisturizer. Ladies, tandaan, as part of your routine, you should always have a moisturizer. And syempre, drink a lot of water to hydrate your skin kasi the more you hydrate your skin, hindi ka na kailangan magpatong ng madaming makeup. The natural glow will be seen. Next, of course, my time-wise, beauty on a budget. Ayan, this one. Tandaan po, meron na po yung 4 na content sa loob. It has this cleanser, day cream, night cream, and also the eye cream. So, I must say, this is really a beauty on a budget kasi you're actually achieving, ano ba yung gusto natin, diba? Anti-aging, may brightening pa, and of course, the good thing about this, even the eye cream, lalo na ngayon, diba, marami sa atin nakakaproblema sa pagpupuyat, sa dami ng mga workloads, and I must say, you could try the Mary Kay products by trying this first, lalo na beauty on a budget muna tayo. And of course, sabi ko, beauty essentials as a lady, as a woman, or kahit ikaw ay teenager, syempre gusto mo na rin na may ginagamit with your face, you can have pressed powder, okay? Pressed powder, ano pa? Pangkilay. This one. And of course, yung naka-promo po natin, we have the Mary Kay Lip and Cheek. So, we have different shades right now. Diba? Meron tayong Pinking Out Loud, Razzleberry, and of course, our bestseller na peach pop. This one. Okay? And narinig ko kanina, 'di ba? Marami po sa inyo ang naging curious din with this one. Sabi ko nga, ang daming purpose nito as your kilay, eyeliner, accent, eyeshadow, and also you can have this as your tight lining na what we call this, na eyeliner. So, sa mga naghahanap ng madaling gamitin lang na eyebrow pencil and eyeliner, this one is really recommended. Okay, and sana hindi nyo nakalimutan yung beauty hacks ko. Pag gusto mo ng tinted moisturizer in an instant, you can use actually a concealer, partner it with the moisturizer, your favorite Mary Kay moisturizer, pwede ring time-wise, basta konting amount lang, pwede na po yun. Hindi kailangan madami. And to take care of your lips, always remember, hydrate it with your Mary Kay Satin Lip Balm. Huwag mong kalimutang gumamit nito. And as part of our beauty hacks, you can actually use your eyeshadows. Ako ginamit ko kanina ito para magkaroon ng color siya pag in-apply sa lips mo din. Okay? So, sana marami po kayong natutunan sa ating mga tipid tips. Ibig ko lang sabihin for today, kailangan we must maximize every product. Imagine, di ba? Ang isang product pala, marami na itong pwedeng magamit. Yes, that's why don't just invest when it comes to the price. Invest on the quality of the product and of course, yung tagal, the usage of every product. Kasi minsan, kung presyo lang yung pag-uusapan, pero na-compromise mo yung quality, I will tell you, yung mga side effects, dun ka naman magsisisi. Kaya nga, tandaan, lahat ng nilalagay mo sa mukha mo, always treat it as something na investment talaga. Because it is for long-term usage na po. Okay? So, before I end my FB Live, I know you're all excited for the question of the night. Sana marami po kayong natutunan. And if ever you want to have more makeup and skincare videos, meron po akong YouTube channel na Gems and Wonders. You can subscribe and watch my videos as well. So, if you're one of the viewers tonight, I'll be having my FB Live actually for this week, MWF siya, because this week is actually our month. And so, muna tayong every other day. So, the next FB Live will be on Wednesday. That is still 8 p.m. So, for you to be part of my intro raffle, okay? So, first part ng FB Live ko ay raffle. Here's my question of the night. So, you just have to answer this. Give me at least 2 beauty hacks na natutunan mo for tonight para sa ating Tipid Tips 101. So, ano yung tumatak sa'yo? Dalawa po yung at least na isasagot mo. Ano yung dalawang tumatak sa'yo na beauty hack na pwede mo ma-share sa client mo, or kung ikaw ay isang bagong viewer namin dito na pwede mo ring ma-apply sa sarili mo. So, I'll be reading your answers, and those who answered my question for tonight will be included in my raffle on Wednesday. So, again, congrats to Miss Rayma. Siya po yung nanalo kanina sa ating intro raffle. So, sa mga sasali ngayong gabi, be sure to be there on Wednesday at 8 p.m. po. So, that's all for tonight. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-watch. Okay? Ladies, when you actually answer din pala, explain it din naman. So, parang, for example, yun na, ano yung natutunan nyo and what will turn out, diba? Para naman nababasa din yung iba, uy, ganun yung mga natutunan nila, Miss Gem. So, for example, yung eyeliner, yung eyebrow pencil as your eyeliner, ayan. So, parang ganun yung gusto natin i-share with your clients din. Ayan, so like si Miss Arlene, so try natin itong basahin lang. Sabi niya, lipstick to eyeshadow and blush on na rin. Wow, so yun yung mga natutunan din niya. Si Shayden, sabi niya, at play lipstick for eyebrow, as your eyeshadow, and also your Mary Kay at play lip and cheek as your lipstick, eyeshadow, and lipstick. Okay. Si Kiara naman, sabi niya, Mary Kay lip balm mixed with blush on. So, ladies, I'll be reading all your comments. Don't worry. Lahat ng sumagot, I'll make sure, of course, you'll be part of my raffle on Wednesday. So, great night, everyone. Please support my YouTube vlog, Gems and Wonders, and have a blessed day to everyone. Stay safe, everyone. Love, love.